Welcome back to Beautyistic. If you're looking for a high-tech solution to support your hair growth journey, today's review is all about the Pro Laser Hair Growth Helmet LH80. This is a serious contender in the world of at-home laser hair therapy, designed to bring professional-grade technology right to your doorstep. Let's dive into what makes this FDA-cleared device stand out from the crowd. The Pro Laser Hair Growth Helmet LH80 promises to deliver powerful red light therapy using advanced laser technology, not LED lights, for hair regrowth. It uses medical-grade lasers, specifically 40 to 80 premium laser diodes, to provide deeper scalp penetration, which can help improve the look and feel of thinning hair. Made in the USA with engineering excellence, it's designed by a former NASA scientist, so you can trust the level of innovation that went into this product. It's also FDA cleared, ensuring it's both safe and effective for home use. In terms of usability, this device is incredibly user-friendly. It's a hands-free experience, and the ergonomic helmet design ensures that you get full scalp coverage from your hairline to the crown without any hassle. The sessions are short, and you can easily wear the helmet while going about other tasks like working or relaxing. I've had the opportunity to use this laser hair growth helmet for a few weeks now. Incorporating it into my routine was easy. The helmet sits comfortably on the head, and the treatment lasts around 20 minutes, which you can do twice a week. I found it easy to use, with no discomfort or irritation during sessions. The cool temperature during use adds to the comfort, ensuring the device is gentle on the scalp. Now, let's talk about some of the pros and cons of the Pro Laser Hair Growth Helmet LH80. One of the biggest positives is the laser technology itself. Unlike many devices that combine lasers with LEDs, this one focuses solely on medical-grade lasers, which is ideal for maximizing light absorption and targeting the follicles directly. I also appreciate that the device is FDA cleared, which gives you peace of mind regarding its safety. The ergonomic design and hands-free usage are also big advantages. You can literally wear this while multitasking, making it a convenient option for busy people. However, no product is perfect. The Pro Laser Hair Growth Helmet is an investment. There's no getting around that. It's pricier than many other at-home treatments, so that might be a drawback for some users, especially if you're just starting your hair growth journey and aren't sure if this will work for you. Additionally, while I can't speak to the long-term results just yet, it's important to note that results take time, so patience is key here. When it comes to value for money, it's clear that this is a premium device. You're paying for high-grade technology that offers targeted results. Considering the quality of the lasers, the engineering behind it, and its FDA clearance, the price feels justifiable if you're committed to a consistent hair wellness routine. Now, if you're looking for alternatives, there are other laser devices on the market, but few offer the same premium laser-only technology at this scale. Some alternatives that mix lasers with LEDs might come at a lower price point, but they might not provide the same depth of coverage or effectiveness. So, if you're looking for something that's more affordable, you may have to compromise on the technology, and the results may not be as effective. In terms of build quality, this helmet is engineered to last. Manufactured in Silicon Valley, the device feels robust and durable. I'm confident that with proper care, it should last for a long time, and it's comfortable enough to wear for short periods without any irritation. Plus, you can integrate it easily into your existing hair care routine, using it alongside your favorite hair products. While I haven't had any direct experience with customer service, Theradome is known for providing responsive support to customers should you need assistance. The brand has built a solid reputation for standing behind their products, which is always a good sign. So, what's the final verdict on the Pro Laser Hair Growth Helmet LH80 Chai? If you're serious about improving hair growth and you're ready to invest in a professional-grade treatment, this helmet is definitely worth considering. It's backed by solid science and designed to provide optimal scalp coverage with its 100% laser technology. It's not an instant fix, but if you're patient and consistent, this could be a game changer for your hair wellness routine. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks so much for watching. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts and experiences. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.